This
But
one,
it's
you
not stick.
yeah, that's what I
Yeah,
wanted a
yeah,
cabinet too.
true.
This one is okay. It's under naman, under the tafel.
Yeah,
Then we can look every day. We can visit this one every day, right?
true.
So what, maybe they can, if we see inside already, or we need to,
Yeah, but of course this is our receiver. This is
because
very
for sure
sensitive
this
stuff.
one, even we can move this one a little bit, because this one is gonna be, because this one, all everything it's messed, so everything is here.
Yeah, I need to wrap this one thoroughly in the back and in the front.
Yeah,
Like we
until
wrap all
Beneden.
around.
Yeah.
And you're right. Even if we move it a little bit, I think we can actually.
Later na.
Ja, nou, hij is
We
wel
can
zwaar.
move this one.
Ja.
Ang aming dadalhin sa aming tutuluyan. This one is this one in the car chair.
Ja, dat vind ik
And
gevaarlijk.
your personal hygiene.
Nou, even confus. Waar is dit het beste? Nee.
Maganda tayong lahat. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, ko may vlog. At Chinese New Year na sa Philippines. All over the Asia. Pero hindi pa dito. Pero ang Chinese New Year ko ay just come Valentine's sa Chinese New Year ko ay Happy Lunar New Year.
Yes, happy
Year
Lunar
of
New
the
Year.
Horse.
Sounds like Kong He Fa Choi.
Kung hei fa sa singing ko ay mga
zoiets.
ka-Chinese community. Respect for your gratitude. Charot, gratitude. Pupunta tayo sa ating bahay. Ayan ang ating Chinese New Year. Titingnan natin kung ano na eksena sa renovation. Like I said, ganon ang aking Chinese New Year at ang aking Valentine's Day. Ganito ang eksena. Walang ganon. Kaya di ka na. Ay, mga kamime, nandito na tayo sa bahay. At titingnan natin ang eksena sa renovation. Ito yung aming kang. Ang hallway, tingnan nyo naman, oh. Meron na siyang, nilagyan siya nito kasi gawa no. This one they take it out. The heater.
Ja, de heater is aan.
This is the heater here. And what is that? That's for them.
Ja, dat is van de...
Yeah. Take it out. Check ko muna. Aming toilet, binakvak na siya ng bongga. Bonggang vakvak. Vakvak for more. Ang iyong Listerine Scott. Still okay, oh. Storage, ayun. Binakvak ng aming toilet. Malala ang pagkavakvak. Ayun ang planche ko. Ito ang aming pinatay kusina. Bakbakin din siya eh. Lahat nilagyan. Buti na lang nilagyan namin ito. Talagang basta ko ilaw. Ayun yung sinasabi, tinanggal. Bakit tinanggal? Kasi lalagyan siya. Hindi sinabi sa amin. Bahala sila, ibalik nila yan. Walang ano. Yung kurtina namin, bigla na lang nila tinanggal. Walang pasabi. Oh. Tapos ito. May staff soccer. Makita. I don't know. Ano yan? Sila magbabayad yun sa amin? Diba? Diba? Nilagyan namin siya lahat dahil. Ito ang ang tinanggal. Lalagyan namin siya ng ano. Tinanggal din to. Ano ito? Saan salamin yan? Dito sa taas. Salamin dito. Ano itong nalaglag? Nalaglag yun. Yung mga ano. Buti na lang nilagyan namin ito. Hey, ang dumi na nito. Dapat itanggalin na. Ang dumi na, oh. Ayun, tinanggal na yung gas. Ah, Scott, they take it out the gas already.
Ja, die is inderdaad ook terug. Ik heb precies op tijd opgezet.
Yeah, ito na mga kami may ang aming eksena. Ayun na nga ang eksena. This is the door in the room. There's one.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
this the door. Which door they say? Ah, in the storage. Bathroom.
Bathroom and storage.
Mamaya silipin ko yung aming ano. Kike, I have a question. This one, oh, they use all the electric here. So who wants to pay for that?
Ja, dat weet ik ook niet, maar at least they...
The compensation.
ja, weet ik niet. Ja, dat gezegd, ja, maar je hebt gebruikt ook voor het de logeren ook doen. Ja,
Ah, they
ik
put-
heb ook geen 1000 euro.
Yeah, they put it this
Ja, je kan
one.
even uit de dit alsjeblieft. Even, dus even.
Pinipicturean ng jowa ang aming ano. Aba, basta nilang sila nag-aalis na wala silang mga pasintabi. Day.
Ja.
Diba? Napaka bait na nga natin. We are so kind because we put everything in the
Ja.
in order what they want.
Ja.
Right?
Hier ligt dus de...
Huwag ganon. Ito naman yung kwarto namin. Di ba pinakita ko din sa inyo. Binakbak na rin yung aming nilagyan nito. Binakbak na rin yung ano. Opak. Nilagyan namin yun, Day. Para Von Ganarn. Di ba? Ito pa yung aming isang storage. Talagang puno-puno na yung aming maliliit na. Nandoon po mga kami. Ito pa yung aking mga pang makeup. Hindi ko muna kukunin. At ako'y pagoda.
Ja,
Aking dalaw. Yan, this na.
Oh, dat is niet handig.
Tomorrow we can bring this one.
Ja,
We
nou,
don't-
deze. Ja.
This. This is for orphanages. We need to...
Ja.
And yes, ayun na nga mga kami, may bumalik na kami sa bahay at nandito na kami sa aming tinutulungan. At dito na kami mag-sleep over ng 1 month ng aking jowa. Dinala niya ang kanyang radio. This speaker is here. At ang kanyang magandang moment sa kanyang work. Ito lang ang aming table, kaya ganito pa yan, makalat pa. Tapos wala kaming sabitan. Yung mga ibang gamit namin dinala. So yung kwarto namin, ready ng tulugan. Nagpapainit na ako ng tubig. Kanina nga nagluto na ako. Hindi ko na napakita. Ito yung niluto ko kanina. Yan, nalugas ng pinggan. Walang lamesa. Ang mga gamit namin, mga pagkain, mga stocks namin, ayan po, nakalagay pa sa bib. Parang ano yan, parang kami ay nagpipiknik lang mga kami. Yung aming tulugan. Ito. Ready na siyang tulugan. Yan pa, hindi pa ko pa naayos. Hindi ko pa naayos. Ito yung mga malilinis, ang madudumi nasa taas. Lalabhan. Yan. 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 Lalaba pa. Puntahan naman natin ng toilet. Dinala ko ang Shurax. Yan, ang toilet namin, walang kortina. At ang piping, washing machine. Yan. At ako'y diligo, napagla akong shampoo, wala akong Pantene or Garnier. Yan lang, Head and Shoulder, baka naman. Pabuksan ko nga ang heater. You need to open the heater. Did you open the heater?
Dat kan ik uitgezet, ik vond het te warm.
Nay. Paano naman ta? Ha? Yeah, that's why. That's what that's what I'm telling about. What's that?
You got me right.
Ah, you need to out the light. Go.
Choy.
Today is a Chinese New Year. So we are in the house already. At
Eating
kumakain,
chow fun.
kumakain siya ng tira niyang chow pan nung Sunday, last Sunday. Yeah, last Sunday. Wow, eating. At ito na yung aming tinutuluyan na bahay. At hindi pa masyadong tapos ang aming pagliligpit. Pero kay Fagora, tayo ay walang reklamo dahil Chinese New Year today! Yun yung outside, oh. May kulambo kami dahil. Bawal kasi kami lamukin, oh. Sa labas puro kulambo. Meron kaming, crib. Connecting to sa aming, bahay sa kabila. 3 blocks away. Ginagawa din to. Ito'y siguro wala ng tao dito, kaya kami pinatira. Malawak kaysa dun sa aming bahay, mga kanimi. Tapos sa umaga, alam nyo ba? Ikukwento ko sa umaga, no? Kasi dun sa bahay namin, maliit lang. Lakad ako doon, lakad ako dito, dito na akong papas. Grabe sa umaga, talagang punta ako doon, punta ako dito, punta ako dun sa kabilang kamar, is kabilang kwarto, sa banyo, magkaiba kasi sa aming bahay magkasama ang taihan at saka ang paliguan. Dito magkaiba. Tapos may isa pang kwarto, hindi naman ako maka-istorbo na doon sa kwarto namin at tulog ang jowa, maaga nga akong gumising. So, tapos dito na ako nagpapalit sa one camera. One camera is living room. In Nederland, ganon. Happy Chinese New Year! Singing Kwaila! Year of the Fire Horse! Ang sinasabi nilang fire horse, mabilis. Kaya kailangan, kung gaano tayo kabilis, kailangan ang horse daw ay mabilis. Pero kailangan magdahan-dahan din tayo sa ating mga desisyon sa buhay. Lalo na sa mga importanteng bagay. Tatandaan natin yan, ha? Tandaan ko din yan. At lalo na sa pagtatrabaho. Dahil pareho lang ang sasweldohin mo pag mabilis ka at hindi. Ganon. Kaya slowly but surely but not too slow. Okay? Keep calm to yourself and keep posture. Still, you know your worth. Especially. Talk to me. Bye-bye. Dahil Chinese New Year, kakain kami sa Chinatown. Nasa Chinatown kami ngayon. Dito yan sa aming city. At nag-order na kami ng aking jowa. Singing Kuala.
Ito, sinikwarla.
Singing Kuala.
Sinikwarla.
Antok-antok siya. Kung hi fashion.
Kobe fashoy.
Happy Fire Horse 2026. Meron na kaming tea, kampay. Campaign. Yung Chinese campaign. Happy New Year.
Happy Jasmine, happy hands, happy warming hands.
Papakita ko sa inyo mga kanila yung laman. Ayan o. Meron siyang shrimp. I think it's tofu in the
There's something
crispy,
crispy.
yeah?
That's well, I can use this one, it's lekker.
Yeah.
I like
At
it.
nilagyan ko na yung ng sili ang
It's a nice choice as well.
I put some chili. Yan o. Try with the chili.
Of course.
Try it.
Let's get some more.
How's the taste? With the chili. Okay? Sarap daw. Yes, so yes. Meron na kami 2 order. And this is Xiaolong Bao. Xiaolong Bao. Wanna try the Xiaolong Bao?
Let's try the Shaolin Bao.
That's number 11. Oh, that's his makatas.
That's right.
That's hate. Try it. The kitten what is inside. Anong laman ng Shaolin Bao? This is flakes. Pork.
P-O-R-K.
Okay. What is it?
Lekker met die soja.
We try in Shaolin. Lekker with the sauces.
Eigenlijk
I wanna try. I will try the Shaolong Bao. Happy Chinese New Year to everyone.
Thank you, man.
Lekker. Heel authentiek.
So hate.
Ja. Lekker man.
But masarap. 4 na piraso sa isang order. Ang isang order nito ay is €8.50. Yeah?
Ja, zoiets.
O yan, may katas. Dapat kasi ito nasa kutsara eh. Yung parang mangkok na kutsara. Kasi gawa nga nung katas. Tapos subo agad ang ganap. Makatas siya Dito yan sa Chinatown, Rotterdam. The famous dim sum.
Nou, goede keuze deze.
Appetizer. Give me country without A.
Without A.
Without A. In English.
Oh, in English.
Only in Europe.
Luxemburg.
Luxembourg, yeah. What else?
België.
Belgium. Yeah.
Zweden.
Sweden, 3. What else?
Ja, ik zit even... In English, hè? Ja,
You only 3.
there must be more, but I need to
So, you can give me 2 more.
check Republic.
Czech Republic have no in Czech. C-Z-E-A. Czech. The Czech have A.
It's E.
E. Oh? Okay. And one more?
Oh, that's strange because
Hey.
I want to say Serbia. But Serbia.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8. Kabas. Greece.
Oh yeah. You know why I don't say it?
Why?
Because in Dutch it's Griekenland.
Nee, it's Engels.
And that's
And
confusing.
United Kingdom.
Ja, Engeland.
England. Dat is
Oh
Nederland.
ja, Verenigd Koninkrijk. Ja.
London.
Ja.
Scotland.
Ja.
Sorry. But you good you give 3.
Ja.
I'm confusing sa Czech Republic.
Ja.
C in English. C said E.
Ja.
What's the next letter?
CZECH.
CH. Ah, okay. Czech Republic.
And of course, I almost say Poland, but it's Poland in English. My God.
Yeah, that's why. No,
But in Dutch,
in
no A.
English. That's why I said, you
Yeah,
don't
that's
hear?
good.
You don't hear me in
Yeah, but-
English.
I usually still think in Dutch, especially in the countries.
I said to you in English.
Yeah.
It's English.
That's why I needed to think a little more. I need more time.
Okay, at least you still won.
Because in Dutch, Italië. In English, Italia.
Ito na yung aming tofu, Tommy tofu. And met, syempre, for the longevity. That's why I want noodles longevity.
Oh, that's a special thought behind it.
Yes. The longevity of the noodles, it's Mihon for the Chinese
For you?
New Year. For you. Cheers. You try it first. Try.
Oh, man, you have some pork as well.
Try it. But this is hate. Too much hate. This is a tofu.
Baby corn?
And this is a pork. We will try that tofu. Oh, dankjewel.
Slim gedaan.
They
The
put,
sign is there.
they put it. Oh, lekker.
Wordt een beetje sterker.
Try the tofu. Cheers. With a fork.
44.
Cheers. Try it. Wow, tender, juicy.
Heel goed.
Happy Chinese New Year. Grabe siya, oh. Inubos niya ng bongga, oh. Ubos. Chiching, wala na. Jubos na.
Lekker.
Grabe, oh. Ubos. Ubos ni boss. Laka? Busog? Busog. This what we pay is 50 euros. Yan ang price, mga kamimi. Dito yan sa Rotterdam, Chinatown. Alam niyo na yan. Kaya gora na kayo dito. Kung taga dito kayo sa Rotterdam, masarap ito, day. As in, masarap yung tofu pot backspec. Parang liempo. Bauspec. Hirap mag-pronounce. Bahala kayo dyan. Ay, tapos na kami. Kumain. Nandito ulit kami sa kwarto. Still fine. Wala pa nagbabago. Wala pa nasisimulan. Diyos ko, luma ng scotch eh. I think the on the wall, they need to change also. Ito pa rin yung aming kwarto. Wala pang binabago sa kwarto. Panalo pa. Halika na. Silipin natin ang toilet. Ang baho ng toilet. Same. Wala pa rin binabago. Yeah, they put it back na pala. That's one. Ikaw naman masyado kang panic.
Ja, dat kan ik altijd nog een keer.
This one.
Je wil plantjes meenemen, hè?
Oh, name, yeah. But I need to put some.
Oh, die doen we dan. Ja, oh, wacht even, kijk, we hebben licht.
Oh yeah, still have. Oh, they have leak now outside.
Ja.
Oh wow, much more nice.
Ja,
They out the balcony. On the tafel is there.
Yeah, I could not get it. It's usually I can make it smaller.
Nee, laat maar
But
daar.
I think this is so old if they throw it, I don't mind. It's fine.
Nee, laat maar daar. I need that for my plantje.
No.
They don't have anything change.
No.
Only they
No,
back,
that is what
back that one.
No.
What they work here? Only that?
Ja.
In the balcony? They just out.
Ja, nou, het is wel fijn dat ze hier die deuren van die ramen hebben gedaan. Dus dat...
Kalorki.
Ja.
I need the...
Oh,
They-
de deuren staan nu daar.
What?
They changed the doors
Ah,
down
they
there.
changed the
Wauw.
door.
Ja, dat is wel beter daar, man.
And the kitchen. I need the water. The water still okay here too? Wala pang magbabago, ma.
We proberen, but I don't know if it's house to water.
This is a 2 days renovation. Wala pa rin na masyado na bago. Yesterday and just today. Ganon. Meron naman pagbabago na ibalik na yon. Nagtanggal na nga dito kahapon yung CR pero hindi pa rin sila lalagay na ko nga. Mga installation pa lang. Naglagay na pala ng installation. May ilaw na sa labas. Ayun yung my renovation. Sabi, close the door. At kami ay tsaka ito, storage namin. Nilagay ng installation. Naglagay muna ng installation lahat. Pero sa banyo at sa wala. Halika na, dinala ko ang aking isang plan. Hi, smile. Planche. Dahil ako ay, kawawa naman ako ng mga plan. Baka masira. Let's go.